Hey, I'm Sam from Family Handyman, and today I'm going to be building a gravel path. First thing I'm going to want to do is get my measurements to make sure I know where it needs to be depending on where the stair is going to be. And based on the measurements I get from where the stairs are going to be is where I'm going to be cutting an opening into the railroad ties. Before we start digging, I'm actually going to cut these railroad ties, so then while I'm leveling out the rest of the path, I can also level out this area as well. So measurements are all done. I know exactly where the path is going to go now. I'm going to begin digging 4 inches down, and I can see that's already not super level, so I have some dirt on the side ready to go in case I need to level it out more. Right now I just want to see how deep the trench is so far for the path, because ideally I want my 2x6 to be halfway in the ground buried. So it looks like we're about there. Now I can remove the rest of this dirt. So I just finished laying down the landscape fabric. That's going to prevent anything from growing up underneath my path. And the next thing I'm going to do is put in my cedar edging, my 2x4s. So I'm going to measure those to size and then come back and install them with some bolts. All right, so we just finished putting in the cedar edging, and we added some 2x4s in order for the bolt to connect to something onto the edging so it's secured to the ground. So the next thing we're gonna do is add the base paver, and the purpose of that is to make sure, let's get everything perfectly level. It's basically the foundation for the gravel path before we put the gravel on. Okay, so after we laid down the pavers and we took our measurements, and the reason why the gravel is not going over the edging is because you don't want that gravel to spill out, especially when it starts to rain or anything like that. Once the rest of the gravel was put into place, just double check that the pavers were level and there was no air gaps between the gravel and the pavers. Thanks for tuning in. For more projects like this, check out familyhandyman.com.